Science Lesson 4. Thanks for joining us in our science lesson. Can everyone say hello? Hello! Great, we'll start with our meditation. So everyone can get comfortable. What are we're thinking about our heart center right here. We use 2 fingers to find our heart center so we can feel our pulse. Boom, boom. And our left hand, where does our left hand go? In our lap, right here. In our lap. In our lap. Good. We're going to close our eyes and breathe slowly. Keep thinking about your heart center. Breathe slowly. When you put your right hand in your lap, but keep thinking about your heart center. Let's end our meditation with 3 deep breaths together. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes and slowly stand up. Make your arms into a T, like the letter T. Good. Like the letter T. Letter T. Good. Now stretch up tall. Up on your toes. Good. And back to a T. And down to the ground. Good. Come all the way back up, very tall. Make your arms into a T. Good job. Touch your toes. Shake your arms and your hands. Good. Come back up into a T. Like a T. Come into a T. Good job. Shake your arms and your hands in your T. Good. Okay. Let's spin around. How many times? Let's take a vote. If you say 5 times, raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you say 3 times, raise your hand. Looks like 5 times wins. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! We're all dizzy. You can take a seat. In this lesson, we'll be looking at our old experiment where we removed the air from one plant, and we'll be talking about the different things plants need to live, as well as what nutrients are and where plants get their nutrients from. Who remembers the word grow? Grow. Flowers grow, that's right. Trees grow. Do people grow? Yeah. Do animals grow? Yeah. Good. What's the first letter in grow? G. G. What comes next? Grow. R. R. Then our O. Then our W. Grow. Grow. Good. What does grow mean? Flower. Grow means to get bigger. That's right. Bigger. 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 This looks a little funny. There. So it goes from small to big. Grow. Good. Everybody show me something little. Small. Now grow and get bigger. Good. Everybody stand up. Get into a small little ball. Now let's grow a little bit. Grow. 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 Good job. Let's do it again. Everybody get into a small little ball. Let's grow a little bit. Grow. 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 Good job. One more time. We're very small. We're going to grow. 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 Good job. Everybody can take a seat. Grow means get bigger. Let me hear everybody say grow. Grow. Means get bigger. Good job. Grow means get bigger. Good job. And today we're going to talk about plants growing. Plants. So if we have a little plant, And it's going to grow. It's going to get bigger. It might get some more leaves on it. If it grows again, it's going to get bigger again. Might have some more leaves. Bigger, yeah. It might even get a little flower.
And bigger.
And bigger. That's right. Grow means get bigger. So it starts good. Starts very small, and then it grows to be very big. Okay, let's see. Who can remember what plants need to grow?
People.
Plants. Nope. Today we're going to talk about plants. Plants. What do plants need to grow? Plants.
Flower.
There are 4 things plants need to grow. Hold on. One of the things plants need to grow is this. The sun. The sun. What does sun start with? S. Good. What comes next? U. And what's the last letter? N. Great job, friends. Plants need sun. They need the... Next thing they need is some rain or some water. What does water start with? W. Water. A. And there's a T. Water. And E. What's the last letter? Water. Water. R. We have our T here. The last sound is water. Let's spell water together. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Good job. And air, that's right. Air is the 3rd thing we need. And we're going to look at our experiment in a little bit to see how much air plants need. Let's spell air together. A. I. R. So we have sun, water, air. Good. Air. Air can be kind of like a little cloud, blowing some air. Good job. Okay, we're going to take a look at our old experiment where we stopped the air from getting to one of our plants. So let's take a look at that. How is this plant looking? Oh. A little bit scary, right? Yeah. We're going to leave that. And we have our prediction sheet from last week. We filled out day 1, day 3, and now we'll look at our final day to see the difference between our 2 plants. Yeah, it's beautiful. Crow. Raccoon. That one's yours. And that one's yours. Good. We're going to look at our 3rd box today. And we have our plant that is not in the bag. And we have our plant in the bag where we stopped what? The air. That's right. We stopped the air from getting to our plant. I am not going to open this bag. Do you think this bag smells good or bad?
Bad.
I think it smells bad. So we are not going to open the bag. We're just going to look. Do you see our plant in here? What happened to its leaves? What happened to the leaves on the plant? They fell off. You see we have one leaf up here. Came off from the plant. Yeah. Some more leaves here came off. Yeah. Is this plant healthy?
No.
No. This plant is not healthy. We can see this plant is starting to rot. Starting to rot. So we're going to look at our plant number 1 and our plant number 2. Pretty gross. So on our paper, we're going to look at our final one. We already have our sections 1 and 2 filled in. This is our last section. So we're looking here. And just like we did over here for 1 and 2, I want you to draw how plant number 1 looks and how plant number 2 looks. Right here. Number 1 and number 2. It'll take about 5 minutes. Draw how the plants look. Number 1 and number 2. Go ahead and draw them and use your colored pencils to show if the leaves are green or if they're black and they fell off.
Okay.
Go ahead and draw your plants. Draw these plants. This is number 1. And this is number 2. Go ahead and draw your plants. Draw 2 plants. Okay, use your colored pencils to show what color the plants are. Use your colored pencils. And can I look at this really fast? Hold on. Good. Good, use your colored pencils and do the same here. Show me which one is in the bag with a big circle. Good job. Which, keep going. Which plant is in the bag? Can you draw the bag? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now which plant is in the bag? Number 1 or number 2? Okay, so put a big circle so we can think of that as our bag. We're going to compare the 2. That's right.
Big bag?
Yeah, number 2 has the bag in it. On it, excuse me. Okay. Good job. Yeah. It's a whole page. So look, let's turn it around. On this day, plant 1 and plant 2 look healthy and green. Yeah, what about here?
No healthy. Plant 1 healthy. Plant 2 not healthy. Same?
Same, we're going to change a little bit. Because we're also going to talk about how the plant smells. Not good, right? Good. Okay, which plant? So you need to put plant 1, 2. Plant 1. Put a 1 here. Good. And 2. 2. Plant 1.
Plant
1. And 2. Great job. Do the same right here. 2. Same thing. 1 and 2. Good job.
Paint 1, halfway, and 3.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Good. Yeah. Did everybody finish drawing their plants? Okay.
Finish.
Okay, 1 more minute to finish drawing your plants. And use your colored pencils to show if the leaves are green. Are these leaves green?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No black.
Yeah, these are black, or they fell off. Good.
This is all finished.
Good job. Which plant is in the bag? Which plant is in the bag? Draw your bag. Yeah, there you go. Same thing. Draw the plant that's in the bag. Make sure you draw the bag. You can draw the bag with a big circle. So make sure your plant... Do the same here. Which plant is in the bag? Mm-hmm. Good. You can draw your bag with a big circle. Good job. Okay. Let's do about 10 more seconds to finish up. Good. Okay, let's write a short phrase about plant 1. Does plant 1 look healthy? It's kind of falling down, but are the leaves green? Yeah, the leaves are green. Probably needs a little more water. Plant 1. Can you help me spell plant? P-A-N-T. Good. Plant 1. Plant 1 is green. What does green start with? Gorilla. G. R. E. N. Good job. Plant 1 is green. Everybody can write plant 1 is green on your sentences. Good. That's all. You can sharpen it.
2 is black.
Good. That's right. Plant 2 is black. What letter does black start with? Black. B. Good. Black. What letter comes next? L. Black.
Apple.
Good. And we have 2 letters that make our k sound. A C and a K together. Plant 2 is black. It's black. Good, we're going to keep going. Hold on. 2. Pick up your pencil. And plant 1. Go ahead and right here. Good job. Sharpen. Yeah, you can sharpen it. Plant 1 is black. And how does plant 2 is black. Does plant 2 smell good or smell bad?
Smells bad.
It smells bad, so we're going to write that also. Let's read it together, what we have so far. Plant 1 is green. Plant 2 is black. And A-N-D. And it smells bad. S. Smell. Good job. Elephant. E. Smell. L. We have a double L. And an S. It smells. We use our nose to smell. And it smells bad. B. Just like black. Bad. A. Bad. D comes next. Bad. Good job. Everybody got it written down? That looks great. What? Looks bad. And just down here, just write and smells bad. Yeah, it's okay. Smells bad. All right. Good job. Let's read them all together. One more time. Let's read them all together. Plant 1 is green. Plant 2 is black and smells bad. Good. Good job. Okay. So we know from our experiment that the third thing plants need is what? Air. They need air. Plants need air. They need water, sun, air. What are we? And we have something else right here. And something else. We're going to take a look at that on our PowerPoint in a few minutes. Yeah. So let's talk about a few words very quickly. So the fourth thing that plants need right here that we're going to talk about today is this word right here. Nutrients. Nutrients. It's a little tricky. We're going to do it in parts. Tree. Ents. Good job. Tree. Ents. Nutrients. Nutrients. Good job. Let's practice one more time. Tree. Ents. Tree. Ents. Nutrients. Good job. Nutrients. Great job. What are nutrients? Nutrients. They help a plant grow. Nutrients are what helps a plant to grow. So when a plant is very small, it needs nutrients and it will grow. Good. Grow. No grown. Good. Nutrients help plants grow. Good. Nutrients help plants grow. Good job. And people need nutrients too. We get nutrients from the food we eat, from the water we drink. That helps us to grow. Good. Everybody stand up. What does grow mean? Grow means what? Get bigger. Everybody get in a small ball. We're going to grow. 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 Yeah, we got bigger. Just like plants. Good job. You can sit down. Yeah. You see our plant growing? Is this plant the same size? No. Is it getting smaller?
Yes.
This plant is getting smaller?
Yes.
I don't think so.
No.
Is it getting smaller or getting bigger?
Bigger.
It's getting bigger, that's right. It's small in the beginning, and then it gets bigger. So it's small, and it grows. Everybody show me. Small and grows. Good job. Grow means to get bigger.
Grow means to get bigger.
Good. Grow means to get bigger.
Grow means to get bigger.
Good job. And plants need the nutrients to help them grow. Good.
Oh, grow.
Nutrients. Where do plants get nutrients from? Where? Let's find out. One place they can get nutrients from is from
Soil.
soil. That's right.
Soil.
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 We want the l sound at the end. Soil.
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 Good. Soil is the same as dirt. You see the dirt?
Yeah.
So some plants, like trees, grow in soil, and that's where they get their nutrients from.
And flower.
And flowers sometimes grow in soil,
And small.
and that's where they get their nutrients from.
Is so big?
This is a big tree.
Stem.
Good. So one place plants can get their nutrients from is from soil.
Soil.
Soil. Good. Another place plants can get their nutrients from is from the air. That's right. From the air, all around us. Yeah, from the air. The air. I bet you have seen some plants like this before. Are these plants in dirt?
No.
They're getting their nutrients from the air. What about these plants and flowers?
Yeah.
They're hanging, it looks a little bit like dirt, but this is a piece of wood. Like piece of wood like this. So they're getting their nutrients all from the air, all around them. And this plant is growing on some wood.
Small.
Yeah, it's a little small one. It's getting its nutrients from the air. From the air. Some plants get their nutrients from the air. So we have from the soil and from the air. They can get their nutrients from the soil and from the air. Good. Another place plants get their nutrients from water. From the water. Some plants get their nutrients from water. Is this plant in soil?
No. Yeah.
This is in soil?
No.
What's this?
No. Yeah. No.
No, this is water. This plant, have you seen this kind of plant before?
No.
You never seen this kind of plant before? Yeah, I think so. This plant grows and gets its nutrients from the water. No soil, just the water. What about these plants?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're getting their nutrients from water. What about this plant?
No.
What's this plant growing in?
Water.
Water, yeah.
And fish.
And there's fish in there, that's right.
Yeah.
So we know that plant is growing in the water.
Fish orange.
Orange fish right in there.
And white.
Good job. Okay, what's the fourth thing we need on our list right here? Starts with nutrients. Good job. It's a tricky word to spell, so I want you to say the letters as I write them. What letter is this? N. U. T, R, I, E, N, T, S. Good. Let's practice it one more time. New, tree, ants, nutrients. Great job. So what are the 4 things that plants need to grow? Sun, water, air, and nutrients. Let me hear nutrients. Good job. Nutrients. And nutrients are kind of like what the plant eats. They're kind of like vitamins for the plant. So it can be anything. They can get their nutrients from soil. Some plants get their nutrients from the air. Here's our little cloud. And some plants get their nutrients from where else? It's on our list right here. They get their nutrients from the water. Remember we saw plants growing in the water? Yeah, they're getting their nutrients right from that water. Water. So nutrients come from the soil, the air, or water. Yeah, all different plants can grow all different kinds of ways. Good. We're going to take a look at a worksheet. So we have our worksheet about what plants need to grow and get bigger. So we're going to fill in our list here from what we have on the board. Sun, water, air, nutrients. And we're going to draw a little picture of each one. So take about 10 minutes to do this activity, and then we'll say our goodbyes. All right, put it on top. That's right. Good job. All right. Thank you for joining us for our science lesson. Can everyone say goodbye? Goodbye.